All right. All right. Welcome back. Welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. I just want to make a quick reaction this morning. And we are going to start this day, with post from our own Dr. Agie. So these are X handle, these are accounts on X. She made this post after CS made an announcement about her resignation. And though the fallback Republic people have actually, tried to lay hands on the situation to report or to rejoice about it, which we have shared here, how Sana Padawa was somehow jubilating. One may ask, why did she resign? What is her reasons? Is there anything at all? The truth is that nobody knows the reason. Unless those that are in cabinet, but watching from outside like we do, we don't know anything at all. So I cannot tell you what I don't know. The only thing is that she suddenly disappeared for some time, then and was not reachable at all. Am I what is my if you may ask what is my take or my thought on that? Personally, I am highly, highly, highly disappointed. Very, very much disappointed about her resignation or her disappearance or anything. But one thing I can assure you is that it's not as if there's a war going on or that she decided to fall back. No, that not at all. So like I said, the reason is not meant known to anybody. I think it's her personal decision, and there's nothing like any animosity between her and USB government or Biafrans or anybody. I think maybe she want to have some break or anything at all. But be it as it may, personally, I'm disappointed because she was one of those that I believe that have what it takes, very proactive in nature, very understandable and reasonable for that matter. If you know her, you understand what I'm talking about. Yes, you may have your own opinion about her. You may have your own view. I'm not stopping you. I'm just telling you my own. Can we respect each other? Okay. I think you're good to go. So everything that she have done and her role, her actions in the past, yes, she's not an angel, but she's not a. You can't say that she's a disaster, a disappointment. She's well educated, very sound, very open mind, and I really appreciate her. But the short time that she served and decided to distance herself is not it did not go down well with me. That's just the fact. I don't like the way she disappeared personally. Personally, so this is my opinion. Like I said, so COS made this post that we have seen in the past. But before then, let me encourage you to like the video, subscribe to the channel. In case if you're new, there's no shame in you trying to support us by making sure you like the video. I think it is not a bad thing if you do that, and I appreciate you. I would appreciate you the more if you can truly, truly, truly give us that benefit of doubt to support us by liking the video and subscribe to the channel, of course. So, like I was saying, CS made a post a few days ago. I think that was on when did she make the post? I think 13th of June. I believe 13th of June, she made this post. Hopefully, am I mistaken? I think she made the post on 13th, and Dr. Aggie, backed it up with another post on 14th. So as you can see here, and let's go through the post from what she has said actually. Okay, that have made Dr. Aggie to come out and trying to make another backup post to support that, which also did not go down well with me either. But because why I'm saying that is because I know her role. I know this is my own opinion. Like I said, I'm not speaking for everybody. All right. I know that she's one of those that understand what it means to be proactive, to stop something before it escalates, to react when you're supposed to react. So this is few things I know about her. Some of you that may know her better than I do, you may have different opinion. But like I said, the little that I know her, this is what I can tell you about her. And I thought and I felt that she's one of the brand that Biafra need at this point in time. So let's go to the post from CS. This is where did it start? Okay, this is June 13th, 2025. Resignation, dear Biafrans and the media. This is to notify Biafrans that Dr. Agie, the Secretary of Information, Telecommunication and Postal Services of United States of Biafra (USB) Biafran Republic Government in Exile Brigade, de facto has resigned her position. In fact, that the position, her resignation taking effect on 11th of June 2025. Then she furthered it by saying the Deputy Honorable Tochi Namani hereby resume the position of the Secretary of Information. Please let us all accord Honorable Tochi the help needed at this point in time. Okay, at this time, thanks, Dr. Ngozo Rabeze, DPM, CS, and United States of Biafra. So this is CS, United States of Biafra. So this is the post that CS made. Okay, to inform the general public that she have resigned. Then after that, so now Brawa and the former republic ran into it, and they grab it and run with it, according to Tinubu. They used it as a kind of making caricature of themselves, thinking that they're talking down on anybody. And after making that, we actually have reacted on that the Sonny Barawa's attempt to a kind of to celebrate in celebration because they know the value of Dr. Agi. Do you understand? They all know. And Dr. Agi also know her value. That is why she decided to use her own she decided to use her own decision, okay, against the wish of Biafrans. I'm not talking about all Biafrans. I'm talking about people like me. Because I don't want her to resign. Though I don't know what is going on in the cabinet, but like I said, her activities in public is not, excuse me, is not something that anyone who can wish her to go down to resign, not go down to resign. So that is all I can say about it. So let's quickly go to this post that she made. Today's date, Saturday, June 14th. That was this past Saturday. Dear friends, thank you for giving me the opportunity to serve. I appreciate your encouragement and prayers. Learn from yesterday, live for today. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. For those of you still reaching out to me for Department of Information and Telecommunications and Postal Services (ITPS) related questions, assistance and all that, like trying to call her and reach out to her as if she's still serving as a secretary to information. She's here telling you that, look, go back to the post that she has made. So that's why she said, for continuity of services, kindly pay attention to this announcement. June 13, 2025 rather. That is the post that I just read for you just few seconds ago, as you can see here. So what is your take on this? What is your take? Do you know Dr. Agi? What is your take? She have actually solidified that resignation that she has posted and not sack. She is the one that resigned, and she did not stay in this post. No, 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 I'm not the one that resigned. She's the one that made it clear that she want to have some break without giving us any reason though, but no problem. That's why they fall back and grabbing on that. They were expecting her to come out and say, "Oh, Ngozi Rebeze, it truly no, that Ngozi Rebeze she's a truly a Fulani woman." You know that kind of nonsense that some people do when they're being sacked. Remember why the painted hair woman, the Ezenagowa is such in France, that want to be head, serious but overnight, they want to be president or prime minister overnight, want to be in charge of the different division army and everything. That is her own little brain. Anyway, let me know what you think about her decision to quit, and what does that mean in your own way. I mean, do you see that as a good thing, as a bad thing? And I will also want you to subscribe to the channel. All right, like the video, subscribe, and tell us what your own take about it. God bless you. See you again. This is Money Broadcast. You don't need to stretch it to be too long. So we are going to stream today. Of course, we are coming live you know, anytime from now. Just keep your eyes on that. And please make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, like I said. See you again. Bye bye for now.